We're seeing the effects of climate change all around us: wildfires, floods, extreme weather events. These are not just future risks, they're happening now and they're pushing us to a breaking point. In recent years, political action on climate change has surged. Net zero has become a rallying cry, a vital goal to limit global warming to no more than 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. If we don't act now, we could exceed that limit, reaching a 2-degree rise, and the consequences could be catastrophic. So what exactly is net zero? Net zero is about balancing the amount of greenhouse gas we release with the amount we remove from the atmosphere. The goal is to decarbonise our economy and transition to renewable energy sources like wind or solar, which, by the way, are becoming cheaper than coal, making them a smart and affordable option for governments. But net zero doesn't mean an instant end to emissions. Some industries are harder to decarbonise. The key is investing in technologies like carbon capture, afforestation, soil sequestration, which can remove CO2 from the air. So how does it work? Net zero policies are about giving industries the tools and resources to reduce emissions over time. These policies then create a foundation for decarbonisation across the country. And on a local level, businesses and individuals can play a huge role. And that's where nudge theory comes in. So what is nudge theory? A nudge is a small change in the environment or context that influences people's behaviour in a predictable way, often without them even realising it. It's about making sustainable choices the easy/default option. For example, imagine a company that encourages employees to reduce energy use. They might send us reminders to turn off lights or adjust thermostats. Over time, these changes become habits. As more people adopt them, they become the norm, leading to a big reduction in energy consumption. This is called non-deliberate behaviour. People make decisions without actively thinking them through because sustainable choices have become ingrained in our everyday life. For example, turning down the heating for an extra hour might seem small, but if everyone did it, it would have a huge impact on reducing energy use. The power of nudge theory is great. It taps into the psychology of decision making. By making a sustainable choice more convenient or appealing, we can help individuals and business adopt more eco-friendly habits without feeling forced. When sustainable actions become the norm, they spread, creating a ripple effect that drives lasting change. Net zero isn't just a policy, it's a movement, and it's about empowering governments, businesses and individuals to work together toward a sustainable future. The time is to act now, and through policies like net zero and concepts like nudge theory, we can guide the world through change we need. Together, we can make net zero a reality.